hoping that you know that I am prepared to have stir fry with you wherever, whenever, and however you want for the rest of my life.
I want to believe you. But I need to know, what took you so long?
So long to what?
What took you so long to stop starving?
I was scared I'd accidentally order you spaghetti or something.
I like spaghetti.
Okay. Then next time it's spaghetti. For now, we eat stir fry. Oh, we need some soy sauce. Where's our soy sauce? Do you want some?
Hey, the next time we have dinner, I can make you some brownies. I'm a sucker for brownies too.
I would love that.
And scene.